88,000 jobs gone. Not over 5 years, in the first 6 months of 2026 alone. And the number everyone's obsessing over is the wrong one, because while headlines are freaking out about job losses, almost nobody is talking about the specific tool that's driving this shift, and more importantly, how it actually works and what that means for the next 12 months of your career. So let's break this down properly.
First, the numbers. The latest labor report showed only 57,000 jobs added in June, way below what economists expected. That's the slowest job growth in years. And researchers tracking AI-specific layoffs put the direct cause at 88,000 cuts this year, the highest on record. We're talking administrative work, content roles, customer support, even entry-level coding jobs. Here's the part that matters. This isn't some vague AI is coming for jobs story you've heard 100 times. This time, there's a specific model behind the acceleration, and it just got a major upgrade. It's called Sonnet 5, and it's Anthropic's latest AI system. What makes it different isn't just that it's smarter, it's that it's dramatically better at multi-step, agentic work, meaning it doesn't just answer a question, it can execute an entire workflow. Debug code across a whole project, handle customer tickets end-to-end, draft, revise, and format documents without a human touching every step. And here's the number that should get your attention. It's priced aggressively low right now, which means companies aren't just testing it, they're deploying it at scale, fast. That combination, cheaper, more capable, more autonomous, is exactly why this AI shift feels different from the last one. Now, before you panic and close this tab, let's talk about who's actually at risk and who isn't. The roles disappearing fastest share a pattern. They're repetitive, rules-based, and don't require real judgment calls. Data entry, basic content writing, first-line customer support, junior-level scheduling and admin work. If your job is mostly take input, apply a known process, produce output, that's the profile AI agents are built to replace. But here's what the headlines miss. The same report that showed those job losses also showed something else, a shift in what companies are hiring for. Roles that involve judgment, strategy, and knowing how to direct AI tools effectively are actually growing. The people getting replaced aren't being replaced by AI directly. They're being replaced by other people who know how to use AI better than they do. That's the real story here. So, what does this actually mean for you, practically? Point 1. If your job has automatable pieces, don't wait for your company to decide that for you. Learn the tools now, on your own time, so you're the person operating the AI, not the person the AI replaced. Point 2. The skills becoming valuable aren't technical in the way you'd expect. It's judgment, knowing when an AI output is wrong, knowing how to structure a problem so an AI can actually help with it. Those are human skills, and right now, most people haven't built them yet. Point 3. Watch the pricing trends, not just the capability trends. When a powerful model gets cheap enough that using it costs less than paying a person for repetitive work, that's the tipping point, and we just crossed it. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Every year there's a new AI is taking over story, and things always turn out more complicated than the headline. And you're right to be skeptical. Every past wave of automation created new jobs, even as it destroyed old ones. But the speed here is different. Previous automation waves took a decade to reshape an industry. This one is showing measurable job impact within 6 months of a single model update. That's not fear-mongering, that's what the data is actually showing. So here's the honest takeaway. This isn't a "the robots are coming" video. It's a "the tools already arrived and the window to adapt is right now" video. The people who'll be fine aren't the smartest people in the room. They're the ones who spent an hour this week actually opening one of these tools and learning what it can and can't do. If you want to be one step ahead of this shift instead of caught in it, that's exactly what this channel is for. We break down what these tools actually do, how they're changing specific jobs, and how to use them before they use you out of a job. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of this, and drop a comment telling me which part of your job you think is safest from AI right now. I read every single one, and honestly, some of your answers might surprise me. See you in the next one.